2.3, number 9. Alright, this equation has denominators, so we're going to want to get rid of the denominators and make them cancel out. But first, before we do that, let's go ahead and distribute and get rid of parentheses. You don't have to distribute and get rid of parentheses first, but if you have any fractions inside the parentheses in some other problems, it's very much helpful to distribute first. So it's nice to kind of keep the same recipe every time we're doing these problems. So minus is 6x, minus is plus 1/6 times 12, plus half x, plus half times 2 equals x plus 7. And now we're going to do some canceling. 6 goes into 12 twice, 2 goes into 2, and that's all set. So let's rewrite what we have. 1/6x, or minus 1/6x plus 2 plus half x plus 1 equals x plus 7. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 and the 1 together, just to give us a little bit less to look at. So minus 1/6x plus half x plus 2 plus 1 is 3 equals x plus 7. Now we're going to figure out what's the LCD. Least common denominator will be 12. So we want to multiply both sides of the equation by 12. And what this means is that with the 12 distributing in, every single term gets multiplied by 12. And terms are pieces that are separated by add or subtract. So we get 12 times minus 1/6 x plus 12 times half x plus 12 times 3 equals, and on the other side, 12 times x plus 7 times 12. And let's go ahead and do the canceling now. 6 goes into 12 twice, 2 goes into 12, leaving a 6, and that's it. So that gives us minus 2x plus 6x plus 36 equals 12x plus 84, I think. And now we'll keep going. Minus 2x plus 6x is 4x plus 36 equals 12x plus 84. So right there we combined like terms. And now we need to isolate the x's on one side of the equation. So let's move the 4x over here by subtracting on both sides. And that means the number has to go the other way. So we're going to subtract on both sides. So we get 84. So we've subtracted 4x on both sides, and it cancels on the left. And then we subtracted 84 on both sides. It canceled on the right. And that leaves us with minus 48 equals 8x. And now we need to divide off the 8. And we get minus 6 equals x as our final answer. And you can think of all of these problems as recipe steps. Okay, the first step that we did over here is distribute to clear parentheses. The next step we did is cancellations. The third step was to multiply both sides by LCD. And right in here we just did a little bit of adding to consolidate the problem a bit. And then we did some more cancels. And then we did collect like terms. And finally solve for x. So all of the fraction problems with parentheses can be handled this way.